Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So on my Shopify store you can see that this is a collection page and I have 4 products. In each of the product we have multiple color variants. So let me show you and give you an example. For example, this is a product. If I'm clicking on it, you can see we have 4 colors connected to this specific product. So what I am interested to do here is that on this collection page, I want to display all the color variants as an individual product. So how I will do that? I will show you step by step. So you just need to follow up that how I am doing it here, and same way you can copy and paste the steps. So first of all, you should go back to your dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. If you have any other theme, I have created a lot of videos for different themes, so you can explore that playlist. But for now, I am working on Dawn theme. So let me show you how you will implement this feature on your Dawn theme. So first of all, you should click on these 3 dots and duplicate this theme so that you should have a fresh backup version of this theme. And after that, you should again click on these 3 dots and click on edit code. So inside of this, you will find out that we have some folders, some files. So we are going to follow a documentation. So I have already given a link below in the description. So you should download the code. Once you are downloading that code, you will be finding these 4 files. So in these 4 files, you should open up firstly document.txt. So in this document.txt, I have mentioned all the important steps which are required in this case. So just a second, let me close all these tabs. So here is the file which is documentation. So the first step is create a new snippet, and name of that snippet is color-variant.liquid. So you just need to copy this name from here. Let me copy it. And then go back here, and here you can see that we have sections, snippets, templates. So you need to click on snippets and then click on this new file icon and then paste that code here. This is the name of the file, color-variant.liquid, and press enter key. Once you are pressing the enter key, then here you can see that we have an empty file. So same way you can follow the documentation. Here we have to paste the attached code. So basically we have an attached code which is color-variant.txt. So you just need to copy this code from here and paste it inside of this file, and then save the changes and close this file. So first step we have completed. Now the second step is create another new snippet, color-card-product.liquid. So copy the name from here, go back again, same way you should click on this snippet folder and click on new file and paste that name which you just now copied, which is color-card-product.liquid, and then press enter key. So now again we have another new empty file. So inside of this file we are going to paste the code which is already attached. So let me show you. Here we have the attached code, color-card-product.liquid. So let's copy this complete code from here, close this file here, go back and paste it right here, and then save the changes. Once you are done, then again close this file, go back to the documentation and follow the third step. Now the third step is go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid.liquid. So let me copy this file name from here, go back here, and on the top you can see we have a search option. So just paste that name here and you can see that we have main-collection-product-grid.liquid. So just open this file and go back here in the documentation, and you should replace card-product with color-variant. So firstly let's find out where we have card-product. So using Control F, or maybe if you are using a MacBook, you should use Command F and search here card-product. So you can see that we have card-product inside this file on line number 172. Maybe it can be above or below. So you should find out this keyword and then copy this color-variant and paste it instead of this card-product. So firstly delete it, then paste it. Now following the fourth step, which is remove li tag around the card-product render component. So basically around this render component we have li tag, this one. So this is the opening tag, so you should delete it, and this is closing tag, so you should delete it also. And that's it. Now you should save the changes And final step is that we have covered these number of variants. For example, color in different languages we have the names. If you have any other name, for example, you have any other name of the variant which you want to separate out, so you can actually rename this specific thing inside of color-variant.liquid file. we already written the code in that earlier. So now close this file and let's go back to the collection page. So here we have the main collection page. Let me refresh it and let's see how it looks. Amazing. Now you can see that we have one product, and now we can see that 4 color variants are displaying. Again, we have two variants in same product, so both those variants are displaying. Here we have also 2 variants also displaying, and then we have 3 variants which are also displaying here. Alright, so if you want, you can also update the title with the color names. So you can directly message me, I can help you out in that, but this is the common names, that's why I have added here. Alright, so that's how, for example, I'm clicking on this product, you can see that we have 2 colors, and both those colors are displaying on collection page. Same way we have this product, we have 3 colors, and all those colors are displaying on collection page. So this looks more beautiful than before because we are giving the possibility to our customers that they can visualize all those varieties in our collection and in our store basically. So that's how you can implement it. If you are facing any issues or something, you can definitely ask me, I will help you out in that. You can message me, I have given the contact details below in the description. And if you have any new section to create, if you have any problem to fix, if you have anything related to Shopify or any coding related stuff, so feel free to ask me. I am here to help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.